Ever wonder how the world's greatest, most creative companies send out thousands of flawless looking documents that look like they were custom made just for you? It almost seems like magic, but it isn't. Smart document systems are used by large organizations to make sure every message is on brand, accurate, and sent at the right time. In this video, we'll explore how dynamic document generation helps enterprise organizations move faster and work smarter, while keeping a personal touch in every communication. Let's be honest about how most businesses still work. Every document starts from a template. If one sentence needs change, it usually has to go through IT or even an outside vendor. That means waiting weeks, sometimes months, for a tiny update. On top of that, old systems are expensive, complicated, and often work only in English. Customers in other regions get poor translations or clumsy communication, and the brand looks inconsistent. It is slow, it is costly, and it leaves both staff and customers frustrated. Take the insurance industry, for example. Every day, companies produce large volumes of documents like policies, claim forms, and renewal letters. Each one has to be accurate, meet regulations, and often be delivered in the customer's language. Doing this manually would take endless hours and still leave room for mistakes. With dynamic document generation, the process becomes simple. The system creates personalized communication, and the company saves both time and effort. And this is only the beginning. Modern platforms can handle even more complex requirements, pulling in data from multiple sources, translating instantly into different languages, and sending documents through any channel the business chooses. For large enterprises, this is a game changer. Documents are not just pieces of paper, they are one of the main ways trust is built. Laws are followed, and communication stays clear across countries. Take a global bank as an example. Every client expects a personalized investment report, and regulations demand that every detail is correct, compliant, and secure. With dynamic document generation, the system simply pulls the right information and produces polished, ready-to-send reports in seconds, sometimes even in the client's language. This means faster service, fewer errors, and stronger trust. So this is where the choice of platform really matters. Legacy CCM tools are slow and technical. Perfect Doc Studio is designed differently. It gives business users full control with an easy no-code design studio. That means no dependency on IT for every small update. It also makes it possible to send real-time communication in more than 100 languages across email, SMS, WhatsApp, or even print, all while keeping the brand voice consistent. The best part is that communication feels personal and genuine, not like a stiff automated message. Now, picture this in a sales situation. A salesperson in New York is preparing a proposal for a client in Berlin. Normally, this would take hours of formatting, adjusting currencies, and checking layouts. With dynamic document generation, the system updates everything automatically. Prices are correct, the currency is accurate, and the branding is perfect. And within minutes, the proposal is ready to send. That frees the salesperson to focus on conversation, not the formatting. But if there's one industry that really highlights the value of dynamic document generation, it is insurance. Think about what happens behind the scenes. Policy documents, claim letters, and renewal notices are constantly being created and updated. Every single one has to be accurate, compliant with regulations, and often written in the customer's language. Dynamic document generation takes care of this instantly. It produces consistent, branded, and error-free documents in seconds. Customers get clear communication on time, and the company saves hours of manual work. Banking, sales, and HR all benefit in the same way. But insurance shows most clearly how important accuracy, compliance, and personalization can be. When you look at it as a whole, dynamic document generation is no longer just about saving time. It has become a part of how big companies scale. It reduces mistakes, lowers cost, keeps the brand consistent, and frees employees from repetitive tasks. Instead of wasting time fixing templates, teams can focus on strategy, innovation, and building stronger customer relationships. So if you work in an enterprise that creates thousands of documents every day, you do not have to accept the old way of doing things. It does not need to be slow, manual, or full of errors. Smarter systems like dynamic document generation are already helping leading organizations cut costs, stay compliant, and deliver communication across regions and languages without delays. It is not only about working faster, it is about giving your teams the freedom to do the things that actually matter, growing the business, improving customer experience, and driving innovation. For any enterprise that wants to move forward, this is not just an added advantage, it is the future of document creation. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to know more insights on how platforms like Perfect Doc Studio can transform enterprise communication, subscribe and stay tuned.